Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about facial asymmetry that happens with age and how you can cure. So before I really jump into the exercise that you have to do every day, you have to make sure that you do follow the other things that I'm going to tell you today. The very first thing that you have to do is take care of the posture, that how do you sit. If you are one of those who always sits cross-legged position, it alters the spinal cord and which ultimately leads to the misalignment of your neck, the bone, and your face becomes asymmetrical. So that is number one, that pay attention to how you sit. Number two that you have to take care is how do you sleep. If you are one of those who always sleeps on the stomach side or always on one side, you do tend to basically make your face asymmetrical. So you can be practicing sleeping on the back, trying to switch sides, but not to sleep on your stomach. Number three is that how do you chew your food. If you are one of those who always chews on the one side, it's definitely gonna make your face asymmetrical. So always take in the food, then divide it in 50-50, and some of it you chew on your right side, some of it on your left side, and making sure that you chew it nicely but balancing both the sides. The next thing that is leading to asymmetry is always carrying your purse or your handbag or whatever bags you carry on one side of the shoulder. For me also, I'm like always carrying on the right side, which also unbalances your posture, that you put on your shoulders, sometimes on your right, sometimes on your left, but never carrying it on one side. Another asymmetry that can come to you is if you are obviously only using one hand for the most of the jobs that you do. So that also you should try balancing out your hand, this one. So I naturally balance my hands, like I do certain things with my left hand, use my right hand maybe for writing or for cooking food or so, and the left one I'll be basically using for more of like playing or maybe doing some other jobs. So trying to balance the effort from both of the hands also does keep your face looking symmetrical. For balancing the asymmetry, another thing that you could be doing is the yoga exercises, especially the cobra position or Surya Namaskar and all of that, which helps in correcting your spinal cord and making it much more aligned as it should be. It helps a lot. So there are so many poses that you can do for making your spinal cord correct. Then number two, the exercises that you can do at home, which I'm going to show you now, are super simple, and make sure that you do them before going to bed. So let's start. How do you do them? So the first thing that you have to make sure is that you have stretched your neck area. So for that, you can be taking the help of this hand, put it like this over your temple area like this, and then you gently pull it towards the other side, but make sure that you don't overstretch. We don't want to cause any kind of cramps, but we really want to stretch it or maybe relax it a little bit. So just a gentle pull, and then similarly you're going to do on the other side. After that, what you're going to do is, now you'll not be looking up straight, you will be looking down a little bit, looking towards the ground. Then you're going to again pull your neck like this, and you will be switching your face like this as I'm doing here. Do follow along. So I would recommend that when you feel that the one part of your face is more asymmetrical than the other, so always start with that one. So for me, my right side is asymmetrical as compared to the left side, so I'll always start from the right side. So similarly, you have to do whichever side is asymmetrical for you, you have to start from that one. So I'm going to start like this. I'm going to look down, stretch it a little bit, and then twist my face like this. So initially in the beginning, don't go overboard, just do it for around 30 seconds, then you can build up to 1 or 2 minutes, but don't go over that also. You don't want to overstretch. Then after that, you can be switching to the other side. Look down, stretch. So this is the exercise, very simple one that you have to do for your facial asymmetry, and with that you have to follow the other things that I shared with you in the very beginning of the video. And do comment below if you want me to share with you any other facial exercises or any other product reviews or so. I will be more than happy to do that. Do take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.